Welcome to Exammap. In this video, we will talk about how to prepare Indian polity for UPSC 2023. So, you can visit our website isbio.com or exammap.com, or you can message us on our WhatsApp for personal guidance and notes. So in first part, we will discuss about the syllabus of Indian polity for UPSC. So here we have first topic is constitutional framework. In this topic we have subtopics of historical background. About historical background, we will learn about different acts, that is Regulating Act 1773, Government of Act 1909, 1919 and 1935 and etc. Second, we have constitutional development, then making of constitution, that how constituent assembly was formed and how our constitution was formed. Then features of the constitution, that is the India's constitution is the world's lengthiest constitution. It is one of the feature of the constitution. Then we have preamble, which is the precedence of the constitution, and then we have union and its territories, citizenships. It has the provisions regarding the citizenship, that how you acquire the citizenship of India and how you can renounce it. Then we have fundamental rights, the rights of individual, that is equality right against exploitation, the right to freedom and speech and etc. Directive principles of state policy, fundamental duties, amendment of the constitution. We have three types in this category to how to amend the constitution. And then we have basic structure, which is laid down by the Supreme Court in the Keshwan and Bharati case 1973. And basic structure is not the original part of our Indian constitution. Then we have system of government, parliamentary systems. We will learn about in this topic the difference between the parliamentary and presidential system. Then we have federal system, central state relations and interstate relations. Then central government. In this topic, the first is the president. In the president, we will learn about the qualification, the removal of the president and the powers and the functions of the president. Then vice president, prime minister, central council of ministers, which aid and advise to the president. Then cabinet committee, parliament. Parliament is the lengthiest chapter in the Indian polity, Laxmikanth. Then we have parliamentary committee and forums and Supreme Court. Same on the state level, we have governor, chief minister, state council of ministers, state legislature, high courts, subordinate courts, special provision for some states. Then we have union territories and local governments, that is union territories, and scheduled and tribal areas. We have two schedules regarding scheduled and tribal areas, the 5th and the 6th schedule. Then we have Panchayati Raj system and municipalities. Panchayati Raj system for rural India and municipalities for urban system. Then we have constitutional bodies. In the constitutional bodies, that is these bodies are present in the constitution and they are not formed by an act or a parliamentary law. The first one is election commission, that is the powers and functions, their composition and their removal, their powers. Union Public Service Commission, State Public Service Commission, Finance Commission, which is formed every after 5th year by the president, and National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. It has some powers regarding for the protection of the rights of the scheduled castes, similar to the scheduled tribes. Then we have Comptroller and Auditor General of India, Attorney General of India and Advocate General of India. Both these are the Attorney General of India is the supreme lawyer of the India at central level, and Advocate General of State is the superior lawyer of the state. Then we have non-constitutional bodies which are formed by an act or a law, that is Planning Commission, which is replaced by now the Niti Aayog in 2014. Then we have National Development Council, National Human Rights Commission, State Human Rights Commission, Central Information Commission, Central Civil Vigilance Commission, Central Bureau of Investigation, Lokpal and Lokayukta, and miscellaneous topics. Cooperative societies, which is added by the 97th Constitutional Amendment Act in the Constitution. Then we have tribunals and official languages. Emergency provisions like national emergency, president's rule or state emergency, financial emergency, and 44th Amendment Act, effects and implications of emergency, role of the president in the time of the emergency, and Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha's power and function under the emergencies, and revoking of the emergency. Then some important topics from the current affairs, that is important schemes both at central and state level, and recent bills and acts passed in the parliament. So these are the syllabus for the UPSC Indian Polity, which is covered by covered from the Indian Polity Laxmikanth. Thank you, class.